In the dairy aisle, milk, yogurt, and cheese are rich sources of calcium, potassium, and protein. You'll trim unhealthy saturated fat from your plate by choosing fat-free and low-fat versions of these foods. Trim the fat. Switch to fat-free or low-fat milk and yogurt. Trading whole milk for fat-free milk cuts calories by almost half and saves 5 grams of saturated fat per cup. And opt for reduced fat cheeses. Check labels on cheese for sodium too. Sodium levels can vary from brand to brand, and Swiss cheese is naturally lower in sodium than other varieties. Reach for probiotics. Dairy foods such as yogurt, buttermilk, and kefir are rich in probiotics or friendly bacteria that may promote better digestion, boost immunity, and protect against heart disease. Look for yogurts with live active cultures for the most probiotics. And did you know Greek yogurt has twice the protein and less natural sugar than traditional yogurt? So try plain, fat-free Greek yogurt in place of sour cream for a nutrition boost. And know that light yogurt is sweetened with low-calorie sweeteners instead of regular sugar. That means about half the calories and carbs per container. Get to know the familiar. You may know cottage cheese is rich in protein. Just a quarter cup packs the protein equivalent of an egg. But you may not know low-sodium varieties and snack-sized packages of cottage cheese are available too. And ricotta cheese lends itself to more than just layering in lasagna. Packed with calcium and protein, light ricotta cheese is delicious, slightly sweetened, then sprinkled with cinnamon and spread on breakfast toast. For more tips on how you can cruise the aisles to better health, contact Missouri Baptist Medical Center outpatient dietitians to schedule your personal tour.